Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest update for Discord, specifically how to turn off dark mode on your PC. If you're looking for a brighter interface, just follow these simple steps. First, go ahead and open your Discord app. You can do this by clicking the Discord icon on your desktop or from your taskbar. Once you're in, you'll have access to your favorite servers and channels. Next, look to the bottom left corner of your Discord window. There, you'll see a small gear icon, also known as the user settings. Click on that gear icon to open up a new settings menu. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down and find the appearance option on the left-hand side. Click on Appearance, and you'll be brought to a screen with various customization options for your Discord experience. Finally, look for the Theme section. Under this section, you'll see a couple of options, including the Light theme. Click on Light, and just like that, you'll have switched from dark mode to a bright, refreshing theme that's easy on the eyes. And there you have it. Turning off dark mode in Discord is as easy as that. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks about your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.